how to make quiz reels on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to another Instagram video tutorial. In this video I want to show you a brand new Instagram update which recently introduced for the Instagram reels called quiz question and answer. So let me show how to make a new quiz reel on Instagram. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing, open up the Instagram. Then you need to simply tap on your Instagram profile and make sure you update your Instagram app. Now you need to simply tap on little plus icon. In order to add the quiz reel on Instagram, you need to simply first upload an Instagram reel. So I want to just randomly upload an Instagram reel. So simply tap on next. Then you have to simply tap on next. Now here you can see there is a brand new quiz option, so simply tap on this one. Now here you can see the quiz feature is successfully activated. So let me show how to use the quiz feature on Instagram Reels. So quiz basically is a question and answering Instagram campaign where you can ask a question. People will respond to you like a poll. So when you ask a question from your Instagram audience, so they will answer it and you will see the result in a poll form. So let me show how to write the question here. So simply tap on ask a question. So I have just asked a question. Did you like Instagram quiz feature? Now you need to simply type the yes or no options. So you can also add the multiple options. So but right now I want to just add the two options. And after that you need to simply tap on the check mark, and now you can see the quiz is successfully added. And now I want to just randomly upload Instagram reels to my Instagram account. Now here you can see the reel is successfully uploaded, and now at the below of my Instagram reel you notice that there is a new answer option. So simply tap on this one, and now if someone hit the specific options, so here you would find the result, and you can see the 100% respond on a yes. So this is a new Instagram quiz poll feature which recently introduced for the Instagram reels. So you can ask any question in Instagram reels by using this method. So this is pretty simple way to make a quiz reels on Instagram by using this method. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching.